Hi, my name is Alex, and I'm here to talk about Core Scribe for healthcare. Our goal is to help providers operate as efficiently and effectively as possible, so you can be more present with your patients, see more each day, and take back your evenings from admin work. So what's the problem we are trying to solve? Charting steals time from providers seeing more patients or otherwise enjoying yourselves outside of work. Providers spend nearly a quarter of your time on admin tasks, with PCPs and women experiencing higher burdens. Patient recall varies and can be significantly less depending on their health literacy. Traditional scribes and software can be expensive. And resources are becoming more constrained while talent is becoming harder to hire and keep. Enter Core Scribe. Medical journals support that communication, trust, and mutual understanding improve care. So, we've created a solution that converts recorded conversations into custom outputs for EHRs and patients, allowing you to spend your time healing, not charting. Also, improving patient adherence can be a significant metric for some value-based practices. We go beyond traditional dictation and ambient listening software by offering a library of templates that can be used during internal meetings and even continuing education, supporting the whole practice. Core Scribe serves the general patient population through patients with cognitive impairment, mental health conditions, and multiple comorbidities particularly benefit. Let's talk about how it's used. While this presentation is geared towards providers, practice managers and patients can also benefit from Core Scribe. Core Scribe works best in person, but it also works in other settings where you capture audio. We use artificial intelligence to convert conversations, brain dumps, or transcriptions into custom outputs, like medical notes, that seamlessly integrate with EHRs and visit summaries that can be shared with patients with a 6th grade reading level. Core Scribe is proudly HIPAA-compliant and can integrate with various health systems. Now, I'm going to turn it over to my colleague who will show you Core Scribe in action.
Welcome to an iPhone demo of how to use Core Scribe. Regardless of what kind of device you are using, there is a recording app that does not require Wi-Fi access to capture and therefore save a conversation or brain dump. For purposes of this demo, the audio file includes the patient and provider interaction. Here is a look into what the healthcare workspace looks like on your phone. Once your audio file has been captured, you will want to move the audio file into the Core Scribe workspace. In order to do this, I will show you a fun trick to easily move your file from the Recordings app to the Core Scribe platform. You will want to hit the black button in the upper left-hand corner that is entitled New Script. Once this is open, you can use both thumbs simultaneously, and it's truly a game changer. You'll go to the Recordings app within your phone and select the audio file you want to drop. Select it by using one of your thumbs until it starts to hover. Use your other thumb to swipe up and go back into your Safari or internet browser and drop the file within the gray box. Once this is in there, hit Upload and Transcribe. Depending on the length of the audio file, it can take a few minutes to upload and create the full transcription. You are able to let Core Scribe do its thing while you use other apps or functions within your phone. I'm going to show you what it looks like once the upload is completed by going back out to the workspace. Everything is oriented around the audio file name, which we call scripts. In this case, it is titled Pediatric Visit RSV. You can see the full transcript, the full audio file that you can play back if necessary, as well as other outputs that we run against the audio file. Let's first create a new summary. As you can see, within this drop-down box, we have multiple different charting formats that we have preloaded. We are not limited to these options as we can create custom charting outputs based on your needs. I will show you two output options right now. The first option we'll look at is for SOAP notes. I'm going to select it and hit Start Summary. You'll now watch it generate the SOAP notes. In beta, we have built suggested diagnostic and treatment codes for billing, which I will show you at the bottom. It has the subjective notes, objective points, an assessment, a plan based on the conversation, as well as those diagnostic codes and those suggested treatment codes that I referred to a moment ago. I will also show you a second output that is really helpful for patient care. You'll simply go back out, and within this area, you'll be able to select a new summary, and we're going to select a patient summary. So underneath global templates, you will see patient summary, and again, you'll just simply hit start summary. This is a crucial point for follow-up, as it will help reduce callback for your patients, and it will help patients feel confident leaving the office with what was discussed. It has a patient summary, highlights and next steps that will really help with patient care. All this was based on a recording that had the patient and the provider interaction. However, all these outputs can be generated and have been generated based on a brain dump after a patient visit. Thank you.
Welcome back. Now that you've seen a demo, let's consider what adopting Core Scribe looks like. Core Scribe works fast and can run in the background during other tasks. Multiple outputs can quickly be generated from a single input. It's a piece of cake. As you saw, it's as easy as dragging and dropping a file. Core Scribe is currently in use by paying customers, specifically in therapy settings and practice staff meetings. Our suggested billing codes should also help increase your revenue and compliance. Onboarding is simple, and virtually anyone can use it. Alright, let's recap why you might benefit from signing up. Core Scribe streamlines documentation and billing, reduces administrative tasks, and improves efficiency, ultimately allowing clinics to focus more on patient care and handle more patients. Core Scribe personalizes care, boosts treatment adherence, cuts down on follow-up questions, and enhances patient satisfaction. Start using Core Scribe today to enhance your practice efficiency and patient interactions. Reclaim your evenings and focus on what matters most: patient care, not paperwork.